Limit valves or limit switches are used to identify the extreme limits of the cylinder actuation. This video gives an idea to construct a limit valve which is used in cascading circuit. This is Puvi Arasan, Associate Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department at Panimalar Engineering College, Chennai. The first step is to draw two positions and mark three ways or ports in each position. The ports are designated as input port, output port, and a port for venting. Here the valve is 3x2 valve, so 3 ports, 2 positions, 2 approximate square boxes. Importantly, the output is straight to the input in normal position. Then in actuated position also, the output is straight to the input. Suppose if you prefer to draw the output at middle in the normal position, then at actuated position also you have to do the same way. Next step, in the normal position, block the input port and connect the output to the vent port. Then the next one is, in the actuated position, block the vent port and connect the input with the output port. The standard practice, we have to name only the normal position. Next step is draw the roller for mechanical actuation, which shifts the sliding spool. Finally, draw a spring which returns or offsets the spool to its original position when the top roller is released. Let me explain the working principle of this. During normal position, the input is blocked. Output port is vented. It means there is no control signal at the output. When the roller is actuated by a pivot during the end of extension or retraction stroke, the spool slides. This connects input with output and at the meantime blocks the vent port. Hence, when the roller is actuated, we get the output which could be used to obtain the necessary sequencing. When actuated, the spring gets compressed. After a while, the roller gets released and spring force offsets the spool back to its original position, which makes it ready for next cycle. Expecting your feedback and comments. Thank you.